So since the book is lami, angithandi ukuthi abe too plain, so ngi-add nje a little bit of lace to make it look beautiful. Yeah, so ngidawu-add nje lace strap nje lesincane sa lace la ngaphasi. Iba kanje bese iphelele. Sometimes I add my pearls, but this particular client just wanted something simple. Sengiqedile. Seyiphumile i-gift box njengoba niyibona seyinhle. So kuze kube neat, ngifuna ukuthi le product yami ifike kahle kulo customer, ifike ingakangcoli, so ngiyaye ngikhave nge-plastic. So nje nyalo ngiyakhava ngale plastic since ke futhi kune COVID, abantu banema concerns i-COVID yahlala ku-fabric, so I just want to protect le gift box yami. Iba kanjena ke le gift box. Yeah, it's really pretty. I like the color combination. I love it. So yeah, I prefer using le ribbon lenkhulu because it makes a big beautiful bow. So yes, instead of put maybe ngisebenzisa the smaller one, the big one, yenda le bow ibe yinhle kakhulu. Ngingakhuthata bavula abasha, especially laba labasaphuma esikolweni, labasafuna kuyofundzela noma laba labasaphumelela sebafuna imisebenzi, ukuthi kube khona lozama kukwenda just to generate i-income. Njengami nje kwaqala as a hobby, but then nyalo I'm in business. Alright, icustomer lami lelinye selikhona nali lele ode gift box le red and white. Hi, how are you doing?
Thank you. Wow, this is amazing.
Oh, thank you, Sham.
Thank you so much.
Bonga mina Sham support.
I think I'd definitely love to order another one.
All right, what
Yes.
colors?
Ngicela ukuthi sikhulume later ngala colors. Bengibone wenda nemakhadi. Yes, ngabe usesawenda.
Yes, ngisawenda ama-cards.
Ngicela ukuthi sil-include kule order lami lelandzelako.
All right, sho nje ungisendela le message lo ifunako, and then ngidayibhala ngikuprintele, and then yeah. Without with the box. All right. Oh,
thank you so much.
Oh, thank you for the support.
You're welcome, darling. Keep well. I'm very happy.
Thank you. Hambe kahle. Bye.
I've received my gift box from Lidarling gift boxes, and ngingasho nje ukuthi ngiphokote kakhulu. It's met up all the expectations I had. Ngiyafana nje exactly nalo expected from Benny. Please do keep supporting her.
Nyalo ngiyomikisa lenye gift box yona ke ngiyenda itolo. Customer naye uyifuna namuhla, so naye ke ngidawuhlangana naye ngiyomniketa i-gift box yakhe.
Ngiyemsebentini ngisayofuna imali yekondla abantu abanye. Ngiyacela sandwa sami ubone bamfa abanye. Tulungakhali darling tobuya